Today we are cleaning the LG washing machine
Drain
filter to take out water.
Okay.
So this is the washing machine we have right here. And
Okay. Off. There's nothing inside. Okay. Now we take a rag.
So first you take the rag, like a cloth, like a napkin, and he is putting it under the drain thing. That's the drain. See? This is the drain. Might not come out properly, but yeah, that's the drain. Like not the drain, but like the filter's cover.
Okay.
And then Daddy has a Coca-Cola bottle that he's gonna, since we have no water, what are we gonna do, Daddy?
Let's see.
So first he's pressing it like that, and then he's opening the thing, like the lid, and then he's gonna slide it out. You have to slide it out, okay? So if you have this or any other LG one that can slide out,
it's okay. If it doesn't slide, you can keep it.
Yeah. And then take out that hose, and Daddy's gonna put that in the Coca-Cola.
We have to remove this thing.
Yeah, first we have to remove it. They can't see it. And then put it in the can, and all of the water is gonna come out of the washing machine. See the water? It might not record properly, but can you see the water? Right there. We have a lot of water in our washing machine. And yeah, there's a lot. See? Since this is a Samsung phone, it might not record properly, but see? We have the fan on, that's what the noise is. And if you hearing any screaming or shouting noises,
it's done.
That might be my baby sister. And look, the water is done. So my daddy is gonna take out the pipe, just drain the other water.
You can show how much water came out.
This is how much water came out. Yeah, that's a lot. And then he's gonna put it back where it goes. First he's gonna close it, and then put it there, and then he's gonna open the real filter. And then you have to twist it like this way, and then he took it out. There's no water, but there's still dust, so he's gonna wash it with hand thoroughly. And then he's gonna use a toothbrush that has been in this laundry room for hours, for days on the sink. And he's using it to brush take off all the dirt. And now hand thoroughly, but he just did something else.
Shake it to remove
shake
excess water.
Yeah.
And then take another cloth and just dry it just if you
Yeah.
want to.
Yeah. and then put it back in. First, just look at it. Put it back in the washing machine. Like there. And then close it. Put the water there. And there. And he's also pouring out the water in the sink. If you don't have a sink in the laundry room, go to the your washroom and pour it down there. And now he's turning off the tap and rinse off the excess water that's stuck. Pouring it out. And then he's closed. Okay. And then he's keeping it on. And then, see, it's on. And now he's turning it off.